Welcome to Farm Life Vogelville, USA. Today I'm going to help my husband grind feed. He's still healing up from his cow attack. Well, I thought that was going to be it. I should have known better. I got this green tub here. See it? Beep! And I'm going over to some bin. I don't know where he wants me to go. I guess maybe here. Here? Can you hear my eyes rolling? So he's pulling the grinder up here, and we're going to be loading up some oats that they store in this smaller bin at his dad's house. He started the PTO shaft. Now he's going to move this over and we're going to put some oats in it. It's a trick to everything. He's using a tile to hold it up. Oh, he's wavering me over. Okay, gotta go. What he was doing, and then I realized he was opening it up to let the grain come out. I guess there aren't buttons for everything. Are you catching the evil eye? I can't get a good grip on that green thing, and it's so heavy, but I did figure it out. At this point, I'm glad. I'm thinking I've got it all done. But he informs me I have 4 more, and I throw the bucket down because I am not happy. So we've got all the oats loaded into the grinder, and now we're going over to the bin, and we'll be loading up some of our own corn to add to the mixture. Just a good farmer, making sure there's no feel of moisture in too long. Is that all you got to do for it?
When I get ready at home, we dump some of the, I do have a bag of stuff I got to put in my stuff. 42 pound. The one's empty. That's about what's in there, probably.
Oh.
You got to scoop.
My shoulders are really aching. And don't you love his video skills?
You don't have to.
I do love this man.
It's going to take probably most all of that. Just dump it all in. Probably going to be a little too much. But we'll scoop it out. So you're going to have to read it too.
But I'll look it up. Okay.
You read it, or I'll read it. I also want to press the on-off button. The middle one, the center. $47. Yeah, you're going to take about 5 pounds out.
What is this stuff?
It's sodium bicarbonate. I mix it in the feed. It helps with bloat. Keeps their gut. Good for their gut. I'll try that now. See where you're at.
You read it. I can't read it.
I'll read it.
All right. Here we go.
You want to put it in the Kubota?
All right, I just lifted that thing, and we got to put it in the back of the grinder now. So we turned the video off of me putting that bucket up on top of that grinder, and boy was it heavy, but I managed it. Pretty proud of myself. So that's the end. Thanks for watching another Vogelville USA. Stay safe and God bless.